I've got a bit of roof sagging in the roof liner of the car, FG Falcon in this case. You see a couple of bits there on the corner and close to the corner in here. And on this side, a lot more significant. This happens because the foam underneath starts to deteriorate and gets loose, so it just separates. You can't just glue it straight back because it is deteriorating and it'll just separate again really easily. It doesn't hold the glue. So on the edges it's pretty straightforward to do though. I'll show you how I do that. Pretty much get a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush end on it. We'll give this a clean all across here, vacuum this up, also in here, all the way around. Use some spray adhesive and then away you go. Thanks. Okay, so to get this to stick together, I have to get rid of all the old tacky stuff that's come loose. A couple of ways to do it: get a light brush, brush it out, it makes a bit of a mess, or get a vacuum cleaner, has a light brush on it, and that'll kill two birds with one stone. Give it a clean as well as capture it as well. So I'll just do that now. And because we're using adhesive glue, I need to tape around here with some paper, newspaper or something similar, and then pretty much hold something here so when you spray back this way it doesn't go everywhere. So. Okay, ready? Okay. So it's tacky, barely tacky, so make sure your hands are clean, otherwise you're going to dirty your liner. You should just be able to, it's adhering. Just be smooth, don't push too hard, kind of run in the centers as you move along. Keep centering it because otherwise you'll end up with folds. This one here, I'll be careful how we push it in because it's just going to flow the direction it came off. Obviously, trying to get it tucks down into here now. So I'll use a spatula to try and get that a bit more in, because that's where we need to go in, is in under here. Get the spatula in there, underneath. That's it. And this one here, it's a bit fat, so to be careful with it. Just not to get it to, it's trying to do right now. Yeah, I've got a bit of a crease there. Unfortunate. So I'll just might be able to pull this apart a little bit. Right, there we go. That was more of a crease than I thought. I'll just try and pull that out if I can. Might not be able to. Oh, nothing the sun visor won't cover up. Okay, pull the tape off. There's one in the corner. Okay, done.